Oh my god, I'm getting wet. Getting wet for you guys. So you can see. It's kind of weird looking. It's sprinkling and thundering. Holy shit. Wow, crazy clouds. I'm like the only crazy person walking right now. You guys see it? Actually, no, I have some neighbors behind me that they're looking at the sky too. Crazy weather, crazy thunders. Am I? Oh yeah, I thought I was not recording. Whoa! I can't believe I'm out here walking in the rain and thunders. Yeah, looks pretty cool, huh?
It's cool from up here. Just looking over the house.
Oh man, I can't see that. It's like pink and purple.
Over there it's cool.
Oh wow, I can't see. I'm glad you guys have a nice view up there. No, it's okay. Thank you though. I was trying to see. Whoa.
Get that?
We are a very, very, very strange sky, you guys. I don't know what you guys think. Well, I feel kind of staticky. I think I'm gonna go inside now. Alrighty. This is from my balcony, you guys. But I'm facing the south. I was on the... My view was earlier. Did I show you guys? Was from the northeast, I mean. And this is facing the south. Let's see. Move forward. It's coming. Earlier when I was walking over there, I felt like the static. I don't know, I felt it in my hair. I felt something on my hair, on my head. I thought this is pretty cool and I wanted to show you guys. Alright, I'm gonna be on with Niz here in a little bit. I'm switching it from 9:30 Central Time to 10 o'clock Central Time. So we'll be on 30 minutes later than what the event says. I'm actually gonna go fix it now. So yeah, 10 o'clock p.m. Central Time is when we're doing the car readings. I hope to see you guys there. I don't know how well my connection is gonna be because of this situation, the thunders and stuff, but we're definitely gonna try to go live. So I'll see you guys soon. And with that thunder, I'll see you guys later. Bye.